Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT with Blender. To start, open your internet browser, then go to blender.org. Scroll down this time and then look for the compatible version that you can use. In my case, I'm using Windows. Once done, head on over to another browser or another tab, then head on over to chat.openai.com. In here, copy the question that I made. After hitting enter, the AI will now generate a code for you. Let's wait for it to finish typing in the code. And as you can see, the AI is now making a code for me. In Blender, click on Editor Type, click on Text Editor, and then click on Text and click on New, and then paste the code. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.